Welcome back to Motor Mania. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that continues to raise the bar with its practicality, comfort, and advanced technology. From the outside, the 2026 CR-V carries forward its bold and modern design language. Honda has given it a slightly more aggressive front fascia, sleeker LED headlights, and a sharper, more aerodynamic silhouette. The rear end has also been refined with updated taillights and a clean, sculpted tailgate, giving the CR-V a premium look that matches its reputation. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V comes with a refined 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 190 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. For those looking for even better mileage, the hybrid version is back and better than ever, featuring a two-motor system that's both powerful and eco-friendly. Honda's commitment to electrification continues to grow, and the CR-V remains at the heart of that movement. Step inside, and you'll notice the upgraded cabin. Honda has gone all in on tech and comfort this year. The interior is more upscale with higher quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a clean, minimalist layout. A 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard on most trims, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster, improved voice controls, and wireless charging to keep things modern and convenient. Space remains one of the CR-V's strongest points. It offers plenty of room for passengers in both rows and class-leading cargo space. The rear seats can fold flat for those weekend adventures or big grocery runs. Honda's done a great job of maximizing interior versatility without compromising comfort. Safety, as always, is a top priority. The 2026 CR-V features the latest Honda sensing suite with enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a new traffic jam assist function. These systems work together seamlessly, giving you peace of mind on every drive. Overall, the 2026 Honda CR-V continues to deliver where it matters: comfort, efficiency, technology, and everyday usability. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or running errands, the CR-V remains one of the most well-rounded choices in the compact SUV segment. That's it for today on Motor Mania. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next ride review.